What's going on, guys? Back out here in the garage. Little Banshee here, about to get some goodies. I'm still waiting on those 5,000 likes so we can do a little reboot on her. But until then, so share the video, go back, reshare it, have somebody re-watch it, like it, whatever we need to do. Got the heat on. So while we're waiting on the Banshee to get redone, it'll come in time. We got some graphics we want to throw on her in the meantime. Just give her a little something. Not a huge fan, you know, I've mentioned it before. On the white frame, it's just spray painted. It cleans up okay, but it's a little dirty now, but it cleans up okay, but just, I don't know, just doesn't do the trick for me. So we got some graphics, front fenders, white, gray, blue action. I think they're 2000 model or something. Rear fenders, got those. Got whites for the side tank. Right there where the factory Yamaha goes. Do some white on that. And then we've got another white Yamaha. Not sure where it goes. Might have to look that up. Might go in the middle. I don't know. May not use it at all. I have to look where that graphic goes. Got the 350 twins. Don't know if we'll use it or not. I got Dovey trailing there right now. Probably won't use the twin 350. And these aren't OEMs. These are eBay specials. So they're not exact, but they'll do the job. And then we got white and blue tank cover there. Have the white Yamaha under it. Just trying to tie that frame in a little bit. Hopefully that'll look better for me. It'll look better to me, for me. Anyway, but we'll get going on that. Got the heater going. We'll let it warm up in here a little bit. We'll clean the plastics off, prep them a little bit. Get the graphics on it. Warm these plastics up a little bit. They're coming around. But clean that up. Then we'll just slap the graphics on there. Shouldn't be too bad. And I'll go ahead and throw a disclaimer out here. I'm not the best at graphics. I've done one or two of them before. So if they're not level and straight and where they're supposed to be and matched up perfect, just jump down in the comments, tell me how terrible of a job they are, and give it a thumbs up just for the bad job. Let's get going.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm bad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay dip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up.
Only God wants you, better go live it up.
live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. What a rock star in this life, I'm live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. What a rock star in this life, I'm live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Well, there she is. Like I said, they're not perfect, but they're gonna be good enough. We'll see how they stay on. That one there is real close to almost perfect. All of them did pretty good. I didn't take a whole lot of time on them though. More or less wiped it down. Got the plastics pretty clean. Took a heat gun, heated the plastic up a little bit, just a little bit of heat in them where it's kind of colder out in the garage. Threw them on. Lined them up by eyeball, didn't measure anything. Then I took a heat gun, went back over to graphics, heated them up, and tried to warm the glue up there to the plastic some. I think she turned out nice. That really, really brought around that white frame for me. I'm liking that a whole lot. If you guys like it, give this video a thumbs up. That turned out slick. White frame don't bother me now. That really tied it in. I didn't want to do something with these here. I've got another set of stock wheels. They're off, I think, newer model Raptor. I got over there, but they're not the SE wheels, so they don't have this. They don't have this sticker around them. So they're just a solid black. But instead of breaking these down and swapping over to the solid black ones, I think I may just hold off. I think I want to go with some polished aluminum wheels now. I think it'll look better than the black. A little bit of time, a little bit of time. But she turned out so good, I think. I like it a lot. Didn't know if I wanted to do all the graphics when I ordered them. Initially, all I was going to do was the tank and the Yamaha. Just kind of tie the frame in there a little bit. Sorry about the road noise. Got the door open now. Pulled the YZ back in. She's still a little dirty. My mud is a swamp right now. Doesn't do a bit of good to wash it. So here's what it is. She's mostly clean. Plus I got some pretty big plans for this bad boy. I think 2 days from now. So we'll be out on it 2 days from now. Got a nice little ride planned for it. Think you guys will like it. That'll be Friday. Yeah, that'll be Friday. Be going out on a Friday. And you guys will probably see the video possibly Sunday. But just want to jump out here, get these graphics on. Man, it's looking good. Just a little midweek video for you. A little extra something this week. And like I said, if you like the graphics, go over, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn notifications on, all that good stuff. And if you didn't catch the last video, I'll throw it up here at the end. It's Trill Therapy. A couple little extra goodies in there for you. Had a fun little skit in it. So if you haven't watched it, check it out. I'll link it here at the end. It should be somewhere on the screen now. Maybe here. Let me see where I'm at on the camera. It's a GoPro, so I have no idea. So somewhere around my head will probably be the video. And there'll be a playlist. Probably be a Banshee playlist. The other one will be the video. You're going to want to go check it out. Met a great guy, therapist, Jeff. Really lined me out. So go check him out. Go check that video out. Like that bad boy. And let's just look at this baby for a second as we fade out. Shoo, buddy, look at that. She looking good.